Hello, this is part 2 of the tutorial video. We're going to go over the setup recurring mailing. And straight away you'll see a difference. There is a campaign list instead of a mailing list. Here you'll see the select the list from Scribe. This is a brand new account, so there's no lists. So we'll start by creating a new list name. We'll just say, we'll call it Summer 2026. And you put a date. Today's date is 3/26/26. And if you want to add a return address, you can. It's totally optional, you don't need one. Next is the card design. We went over this in our last video. So you can just select a one of your designs or one of our global designs. We'll go ahead and select one of these here. Let's do a blue and thank you. And the inner design is optional, so you don't need it, but we'll select one here. This one's just a blank design, so we'll use that. Actually, let's throw in a heart. We have our previously sent messages, so we can use what we use for the one-time campaign, or you can build a brand new one. Once you have everything ready to go, you can hit save and send later. We'll give it a campaign name, Summer 2026. Let's save. And there's this use automation button. So once you have the campaign saved, you can come back here to copy your list name, because you'll need this for the automation. You can also see that the ongoing campaign is here, and at any point you can submit it. This is just telling you you have a 0 wallet balance, but there's no credits in the list, so you can submit it as is. Without a monthly subscription, it will pause automatically if it tries to send with an insufficient balance. So I recommend getting credits in the account first before you submit, or set up a monthly subscription before you submit. I will pause that, and we'll go on to the automation tool of this app. Up here you can name your automation whatever you want. And we're going to want to save frequently. Here you can add a trigger, whatever you'd like, to start automating the contacts hitting this workflow. And then the next action, we'll go in here, we can search Scribe. You should see the certified workflow action. And here you'll need the API token, which can be found at this page. You'll just need to copy that and paste it into your browser. Or you can come back to the page that we were at, and off on the Scribe sidebar, you'll see here the settings option. You can scroll down, and this is where you'll be able to get to your API access token. So you can copy that from the same link that you found in the actions. So we'll paste that in. And this is where you'll need the list name that we copied, but one sec. We'll need to create a new tab here. So if you have another tab open with the custom, the app where you created the ongoing campaign to get the use for automation, come back here to copy that, and then you can tab back to paste in that list name that you're using. So we'll go ahead and save this action, but before we do, I'll just kind of fill in all this other information. This contact, first name, last name, address, city, state, zip. This is all the recipient information, so the contact, assuming that it has all valid information here of the contact. If it doesn't have an address, city, state, or postal code, it will fail and not be sent to Scribe for the automation letter send. Custom value 1, 2, 3. You can map these using these tags. Whatever you have here and is valid is free to use. Otherwise, you can type in any value you want to use for that campaign. But I'll keep it simple and just use it in this way. We'll save the action, save it at the top right here, and we can go ahead and test a couple contacts. We'll just go ahead and test all of them because I'm not sure which of these have addresses. We'll run the test, and this is all it's doing is sending a copy of the contact to Scribe so that it can build out a list. So you can see that some finished, some of them skipped. Skip, finished. Alright, and we'll go back to our list to see if anything went through. Looks like all of them failed due to the address missing. We'll take a look here. So these are all the skipped ones. We can see the validation error, city was missing, state was missing, zip. So it's missing address information for all these test contacts. But assuming your CRM has valid address information, you will be able to easily test that. But yeah, once you have your campaign ready to go and your workflow is all set up, you can hit submit. Assuming you have a positive credit balance, you will want a positive credit balance so it doesn't pause. And if you have a subscription, it will auto pay with a subscription there. But that's the end of part 2. It's very short and simple, and looking forward to seeing some activity using this app. Thank you.